Hello! Welcome back, everyone, to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex, and I have a question for you.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. I love questions. What is it today?
Have you ever listened to native English speakers talking to each other and thought, wait, what did they just say? I know all those words, but together they sound like something else.
Yes, all the time. Like when someone says, "What's up?" and you know what up means, but together it means hello. Or when they say, "I'm down," and they don't mean they're falling.
Exactly. English is full of these everyday phrases. They're not formal, you won't find them in most textbooks, but native speakers use them constantly.
Today, our topic is everyday useful phrases. The kind of phrases that make you sound natural, friendly, and like you really understand how English works in real life.
We're going to cover greetings, responses, asking for help, agreeing, disagreeing, showing surprise, and so much more.
By the end of this episode, you'll have a whole collection of phrases that will make your English sound more natural and native-like.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. Lots of examples, lots of repetition. Think of this as your everyday English phrasebook.
So get comfortable. Let's start with the most common ones, greetings and hellos.
The most basic is hi or hello. Simple. Always works.
But there are so many others. Hey is very common, especially in the US. It's casual and friendly.
What's up? This is everywhere. It means, hello, how are you? You can answer with not much or nothing much, or even just hey.
How's it going? Another super common one. You can answer good, thanks, or pretty good, or can't complain.
How are you doing? Same idea. Answer with doing well, thanks. You?
What's good? This is a little more casual. You might hear it among younger people.
How have you been? This is for someone you haven't seen in a while. Answer with good, thanks. How about you?
Now, let's talk about responding to thank you. When someone says thanks, what do you say?
The most common is you're welcome. Always correct.
But there are so many others. No problem is very common. No worries, too.
Sure thing is another. Of course works. Anytime is friendly.
My pleasure is a bit more formal but nice. Don't mention it is also used.
In casual situations, people even say yep or with a smile. It's all did.
Now, let's talk about asking for help. Sometimes you need assistance.
Can you help me? Simple and clear.
Could you give me a hand? This means the same thing. Give me a hand means help.
Do you mind helping me? This is polite.
I could use some help here. This is casual.
Would you be able to... Very polite. Would you be able to open this for me?
Can you do me a favor? This means, can you help me with something?
Now let's talk about agreeing with someone.
I agree. Simple.
That's true. That's right.
Exactly. This is strong agreement.
I know, right? This is very common in casual conversation. This weather is amazing. I know, right?
Tell me about it. This doesn't mean actually tell me. It means I completely agree. Work is so busy. Tell me about it.
No doubt. Another casual agreement.
For sure. Also casual. That movie was great. For sure.
Now, let's talk about disagreeing politely. You don't want to be rude.
I see your point, but this shows you're listening.
I see it differently.
I think maybe this is showing you listen, but you don't agree.
I'm not so sure about that.
I see it differently.
I respect your opinion, but I think...
These phrases keep the conversation friendly even when you disagree.
Now, let's talk about showing surprise.
Really? Just that one word with a surprise tone works.
No way! This means I can't believe it. I got the job. No way! That's amazing!
You're kidding. Same idea. You're kidding means you must be joking.
Seriously? With a surprise tone.
Oh my gosh, very common.
Wow! Simple but effective.
I can't believe it.
That's incredible!
Now, let's talk about showing you're listening. This keeps conversations flowing.
Uh-huh. Just a little sound that means I'm listening, keep going.
Yeah, same idea.
Right. And then I told him, right.
I see.
Got it.
Makes sense.
These little words show you're engaged without interrupting.
Now, let's talk about asking for clarification when you don't understand.
What do you mean?
Could you explain that?
I'm not sure I follow.
Can you say that again?
What does blank mean?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Catch here means hear and understand. Now let's talk about ending conversations. You need to leave politely.
Well, I should get going.
I better go now.
It was great talking to you.
Let's catch up again soon. Catch up means talk again after some time.
Take care.
Talk to you later.
See you around.
Have a good one. This means have a good day.
Now let's learn some phrases for when you need time to think.
Let me see.
Well,
That's a good question.
let me think.
I'm not sure, but maybe.
These give you a moment to collect your thoughts. Everyone uses them.
Now let's talk about phrases for when you make a mistake.
Oops. Simple.
My bad. This means my fault. It's casual.
Sorry about that.
I messed up.
My mistake.
I got that wrong.
It's okay to make mistakes. These phrases help you handle them gracefully.
Now let's talk about phrases for when you're happy.
I'm so happy.
This is great.
I'm thrilled.
I'm over the moon. This means extremely happy.
I couldn't be happier.
Best day ever.
Now let's talk about phrases for when you're tired.
I'm exhausted.
I'm beat. This means really tired.
I need to crash. Crash means sleep.
I'm running on empty.
I could sleep for a week.
Long day.
Everyone gets tired. These phrases are very common.
Now let's talk about phrases for when you're busy.
I'm swamped. This means very busy.
I've got a lot on my plate.
I'm buried in work.
I don't have a minute to myself.
It's crazy right now.
I'll get back to you when things calm down.
Now let's put some of these together in a natural conversation.
Let's do it. I'll be person A, you be person B.
Hey Alex, what's up?
Not much, Sam. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. Hey, can you give me a hand with something?
Sure thing. What do you need?
I'm trying to move this table. It's heavier than I thought.
No problem. Let's do it together. Wow, yeah, that's heavy.
I know, right? Thanks so much.
Anytime. So, what are you up to this weekend?
Not sure yet. Maybe just relax. I'm exhausted this week.
Tell me about it. Long week for me, too.
Well, I better get going. Thanks again for the help.
My pleasure. Talk to you later.
See ya.
See how natural that sounds? All those little phrases make it real.
Now, let's bring back Maya. Maya is practicing her everyday phrases.
Maya is at a coffee shop. She runs into an acquaintance from her class.
Hey Maya, what's up?
Hey, not much. Just getting some coffee. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
I missed class yesterday. Did we have homework?
Yeah, we have to read chapter 5. Do you need my notes?
That would be great. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. I'll send them to you later.
Thanks so much. I owe you one.
Don't worry about it. Hey, I gotta go. Talk to you later?
For sure. Take care.
Maya feels good. She used real, natural phrases. She sounded like herself.
That's the goal. Not to sound like a textbook, to sound like a real person.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Try using one new everyday phrase every day.
Monday, what's up with a friend? Tuesday, no problem when someone thanks you. Wednesday, I know, right? When you agree. Thursday, my bad when you make a small mistake. Friday, talk to you later when you leave.
Just one phrase a day. Say it out loud. Make it your own.
Then come back and tell us in the comments. What phrase did you try? How did it feel?
We read every comment. We love hearing about your progress.
Remember, these phrases are the secret sauce of natural English. They're what make you sound like you belong.
You don't need perfect grammar. You need real human connection, and these phrases help you do that.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep practicing, keep talking, and keep being you. And hey, before you go, if this episode helped you learn some real, useful phrases, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these practical episodes.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Tell us what's your favorite everyday English phrase, or what phrase have you always wondered about?
We read every comment. Your questions help us make better episodes.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more learners sound more natural.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go use a new phrase today.
Bye.